like this. Part 2 of the electrical. A friend of mine, Chris Lowe, got in touch. So I think we have straightened a few question marks. Thank you very much, Chris. Very cool. Among these, the white wire that said alternator exciter, that excites the alternator, and that's exactly what it does. The alternator needs current to work, so yeah, that's what that is, probably. 99% sure. Well, thank you very much for leading me in the right direction. And I found a pink one that says coil position. And that is the ignition feed to the distributor. So that's ignition on. And I've hooked up a little test here. Like this to the voltage meter and ground, and this black cable I got here is 12 volt from the battery, and this pink one here, among these it's a pink one, this is going to the ignition key. So when the ignition is on, this pink one gets positive, and I'm giving it positive here now. So this one says 0 now, and when I connect my positive to the pink positive here, so this is ignition on. So now I know where. I've straightened out 2 more cables. I know where they're going. Yay! So one at a time. I started to untangle this mess of cables. I cut the this one off. I'm not going to use this one. So I am just checking. This one is power in to the indicators, and just a second, to the indicators and horn and lights and ignition and all that. So I'm just testing my way and see. Right indicator is green with a white stripe on, and I will just go like that, and I will write everything down in Swedish, so it's a bit easier for me. So this is left indicator, and that might be this one. Yeah, as you can see here, if I let go of this one. So I will just work my way one cable at a time and write it down in my little book. So I got it all figured out, well, almost. For you who can read Swedish, here it is. I got this hooked up to the positive in to the indicator, to this one, and I got the cables from the wiring kit, the Speedway wiring kit, hooked up here. So this should be the left front signal. So here we go. So if I put these two together and indicator left, yay! It worked. Cool. I will try the Just a second. This blue one say right front signal. If I put these two together and indicate right, woohoo! So one more step done. I tested the rear turn signals as well, and yeah, worked great. So what I got to do is make something hiding all this and hide the cables on the steering column up here. So yeah, actually the rear indicators are separate, and the front indicators, let's see here, the front ones, here's one and here's the other. This blue and one of these blue wires go up to the instrument cluster indicating turning right or left. This one, I guess, only had one. So I know where these two, this and this is going, and I know it works. This is the hazard, so I will put in the button for that one. This is the horn, and this is the hazard. This is turn flasher, so this will go to the turn flasher. This will go to the click clack relay. I don't know, think so. These are going to the starter from the key. So this is positive, and it's ignition on, and yeah. So this one, the blue one here, says dimmer power. So what is dimmer power? The other one is left low beam. Yeah, these are for the lights. So these are going to the light switch. Here's that one. So it's park and low beam, and I have on this one high beam and signal, and horn is here. That don't seem to work, so I will probably put in a horn button somewhere on the dash. But here is the switch for the light. Hey! And I wonder where to put in this one. Yeah. What do you think I should connect to this one? A big train horn? Yeah, I don't know. So this is it for this episode. Another short one with the electrical system. I got some things written down, and that's good. So yeah, hope you liked this episode. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. 2 thumbs down. See you on the next one.